In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Wix partner in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a web designer looking to grow your career or someone interested in new opportunities within the Wix ecosystem, becoming a Wix partner can be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. First, you want to start by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to your site's dashboard. It's important to ensure that you're on the dashboard, because from here, you'll have access to various tools and options that Wix offers. If you don't have a Wix account yet, you'll need to create one. It's straightforward, and once you're logged in, you're ready to move to the next step. Next, you need to visit the Wix Partner Program page. Look for the option that says Join Now or Become a Partner. Clicking on this will take you to a form or a sign-up page where you can enroll in the partner program. This is a crucial step as it officially kickstarts your journey as a potential Wix partner. Make sure to fill out any required information accurately. Now it's time to start building websites using your Wix Studio account. The key here is not just creating websites, but upgrading them to premium plans. By doing this, you can earn points. These points are essential as they contribute to your growth within the partner program. The more points you earn, the higher your partner level can become, unlocking more benefits and opportunities for you. In addition to building premium sites, you can also earn points by completing Wix certifications. These certifications are not only beneficial for gaining points, but also for enhancing your skills and credibility as a web professional. Wix offers a variety of certification courses that can provide you with new insights and skills, making you more attractive to potential clients. Once you've joined the partner program and started accumulating points, you'll want to aim for acceptance into the marketplace. Once accepted, this is where you can truly showcase your work. The marketplace offers a fantastic opportunity to get matched with clients who are looking for skilled professionals for their projects. It's an excellent platform for expanding your business reach and securing new projects. And there you have it. In just 5 minutes, you've embarked on the path to becoming a Wix partner. By logging in, joining the program, building premium websites, completing certifications, and getting onto the marketplace, you're making strides toward a successful partnership with Wix. Best of luck on your journey, and remember, each step you take not only brings you closer to becoming a partner, but also grows your skills and business potential.